What's good? It's the kid from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. Y'all, I'm not gonna waste no time. We're gonna get straight into this one. Alright, today we're gonna be talking about some misconceptions around growing your food. And that how I don't know if it's just an American thing or maybe there's other countries, but you feel like growing your own food is just for poor, impoverished people and nations. I don't know where this comes from, and it's absolutely ludicrous. So today we're gonna get into this, start dispelling these immediately. All right. Myth number one, like growing your food is only for those in need. This is one of the biggest myths. This is absolutely one of the biggest. That growing your own food is a last resort for those facing financial difficulties. The truth is, people from all walks of life, regardless of income, are embracing the joy of cultivating their own food. So, from urban apartments to suburban homes and even the countryside, growing your own food is a universal experience. It's a universal right. It is what you should have access to at all times. Myth number two, it's too time consuming and difficult. This misconception that it's too time consuming and requires expert growing and gardening skills, look, it's not true. Look, if I can do this, you can. All right, you can start small and gradually expand as you gain confidence. It's not about being an expert, it's about enjoying the process. Again, it's about becoming a a producer instead of a consumer. All right, I started out with just a few pots, as you can see behind me, and then I've got more space, and I've got other places that I grow as well, so it is possible. Myth number three, it's not sustainable in modern society. Some believe that in today's fast-paced world, growing your own food isn't feasible. Well, the truth is, even with the busy schedule, you can incorporate sustainable practices into your life. It's about making conscious choices that benefit both you and the environment if you so choose want to use that as a reason. All right? So there's so many ways to do this, and again, I'm going to share some ways to do that down the road. Myth number four, growing your own food is only for gardeners. The idea that growing your own food is reserved for a specific group of people, the so-called gardeners, nah, you don't need a green thumb, I promise. You just need a willingness to learn and a bit of curiosity. Look, growing your own food, look at me. Growing your own food is about breaking stereotypes. This is for everyone, regardless of your growing experience or your background. So, growing your own food, is it just for the poor or impoverished? Absolutely not. This is universal. This is empowering and sustainable. It's a practice that anyone can embrace, especially you. It's about taking control of what you eat, connecting with nature, and enjoying the simple pleasures of life. So I hope that this video dispelled some myths and encourages you, your friends, family, no matter who you are, where you are, to give it a try. If you have any thoughts or questions, drop them in the comments below. And you know what? You know what I'm about to say because you know it's true. That I got love for those who got love for me. Much love from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. Hey, you're not above being your best, most healthy self. Generational health leads to generational wealth and being the best version of yourself. I love you. I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace.
Be sure to click on the description below to get 30% off the Hyperlocal Grower course. This offer is only good from March 1st through March 7th, 2024. Click the link now to get 30% off the pre-sale price, and we'll see you in the course soon.